Hi guys, my name is Pawan and welcome to my YouTube channel buildingyourdreams.com. So this is the part 2 of our microeconomics non-competitive markets. So last video in the part 1 we have completed what is monopoly and then what are its features. So in this video we will be completing about what are the requirements of monopoly market structure, and then we'll be discussing about what is market demand curve and then how to draw a market demand curve for the monopoly firm. So now in case you have not watched part 1, please do watch it and come back to this video so you'll get a little more clear picture. So now let's start with this portion, that is what is market demand curve. What is market demand curve? The consumer as a whole are willing to purchase at different prices. That means that the consumer, I am a consumer, I am willing to buy something at different prices. So basically that, it basically says that the consumer as a whole, the consumer as a whole are willing to purchase at different price. So we are willing to purchase at what? We are willing to purchase at different prices. That is what mentioned in market demand curve. Next one is draw a market demand curve for the monopoly firm. Okay. So draw a market demand curve for the monopoly firm. So now after drawing this diagram, basically first you suppose write over here it's price and over here it's quantity. I suppose right. Price is measured in y-axis. Okay, price is measured in how? Price is measured in y-axis. Done. Quantity is measured in x-axis. Write these 2 points first. Price is measured in y-axis. Quantity is measured in x-axis. So before writing this, write the definition of this market demand curve. The consumer as a whole are willing to purchase at different prices. And after drawing this diagram, write these 2 points. Price is measured in y-axis. Quantity is measured in x-axis. So then after that, if the market price is at PO, then the consumers are willing to purchase in QO quantity. If the market price, see basically that if the market price is at PO, then the consumers are willing to purchase in QO quantity. If the market price is P1, which is less, if the market price is less, that is P1, then the consumers are willing to purchase more, that is Q1. So basically, I'll give an example so that reason you'll understand this very easily. So for example, if I'm selling a mangoes for 1 kg and if that costs for rupees 100, the consumers will buy very less. In the same case, if I'm selling a mangoes for rupees 1 kg, if I'm selling mangoes of 1 kg for rupees 40, consumers will buy more amount of quantity. That same concept applies over here. If I'm selling it for higher price, the consumers will buy very less. If I'm selling it for lower price, consumers will buy at higher price, plus it's a profit for them. Similar way, it's profit for us as a firm, because when they buy more amount of my goods or commodities, what happens? It increases my profit. Similar way, it will be a plus point even to them. So this is one of the biggest marketing techniques. So basically, first one, what is market demand curve? The consumer as a whole are willing to purchase at different price. So in this diagram, we came what is y-axis? It's measured in the price is measured in y-axis, quantity is measured in x-axis. If the market price is measured in PO, if the market price is measured in PO, then the quantity is sold in QO. If the market price is less, I said no, if the market price is less, then the consumers are willing to purchase more. If the market price is less, my firm's if in my particular firm I'm selling mangoes of rupees 40 for 1 kg, then the consumers will buy more, right? The same concept applies over here. If the market price is less, that is P1, the consumers are willing to purchase more, that is Q1. So that means that the price plays a very important role in terms of the quantity of the commodities sold. The price plays a very important role for the quantity of the commodities sold. So that concept applies over here. That is what we studied over here, that is market demand curve. After this, now let's look upon the requirement of the monopoly market structure. So what is the requirement of the monopoly market structure? This is quite easy because we have completed the same concept even in the part 1, that was the features. So why it is the requirement? Requirement for the monopoly market structure. The first one is, there are many broad branches, 4 branches. The first one is existence of single producer. There is only one producer. There are no more producers. Basically, there is only one single producer. And next one is, there is no substitute. I gave an example of Pepsodent and Colgate. So there is, if my market company is producing only Colgate toothpaste, then there is no other alternate or substitute goods known as Pepsodent. There is only one product. That is known as no substitute. Third branch is it persists over a period of time. The monopoly market structure persists over a period of time. It continues to process over a period of time. And in the last branch is it restrictions to prevent other firms to enter the market and selling the commodities. As the same point which we discussed in the features, it creates a barrier for other firms to enter into a particular market field. It basically says that I gave an example of government licensing, right? So that means that in monopoly market structure, there's only one firm and does not allow other firms to enter into our market. There's only one market structure and there is no substitutes. So these are the 4 key points under the requirement of monopoly market structure. So today in this part 2 video, we discussed what are the requirements of monopoly market structure. Then we discussed what is market demand curve and how to draw monopoly firm. So hope to see you in my next video, that is part 3. Now let's study deeply about the oligopoly and further distinguishing in the monopoly marketing structure. So we'll be discussing all these concepts in our part 3. Hope you enjoyed in this video. See you in my next video. If you do like this video, please do like it and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.